The printers are clearly important to you, and you've chosen to put the printers on success plans, which is the 3-year program we have of parts and maintenance cover, and you've also chosen to work with us on servicing them on a regular basis. How have you found that arrangement?
Great, but also at the same time you have to have it. I mean, you can either treat 3D printers as a kind of hobby, or you can treat it as an integral part of your production and your overall sort of manufacturing process. And like any other piece of equipment we have, from a forklift to the lifts that are in the factory, if you don't look after equipment and service it properly, then ultimately it will let you down and it will go wrong. And if we're suddenly relying on, if we're saying, okay, I want a 3D print because I don't want to rely on ABC Limited to give me those parts, yeah, if I don't look after those printers, then they're not going to serve me, yeah, and that defeats the whole object of what we're trying to do. So by having the success plan means that we don't worry about parts that need replacing, Bowden tubes, plates, that kind of thing. But also, credit to people like Max, who comes down once a quarter, services all those machines. Yeah. I know when he leaves, yeah, that I'm now left with, 11 printers that will print perfectly. And like I explained to you, in the last 3 months, we've gone through 3 spool packs.
So that's 30 odd spools of
Onyx.
Been banging the stuff out there.
So, at that point, this kind of equipment needs looking after, and I think you don't make that investment in the equipment to then not look after it.
No.
So for us, that was a really important part of in purchasing the products.
That's great. Thank you.